Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will explain you how you can add Agentforce Service Agent in community website. So I am assuming here like you know how you can create your agent and their topics and actions, all of those things. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to the setup and just enable the omni-channel setting first. This is our first step. So just go to the setup and type omni-channel. So here it is, omni-channel setting. Here you have to check the checkbox to enable the omni-channel. Okay. Now my second step is you have to go to the routing configuration. You have to create your routing configuration for the agent. So just create new routing configuration, agent routing configuration. Add the priority of the routing configuration and routing model as per your requirement. I am here selecting as a most available and units of capacity is 2 and just save it. After that you will create the queue for your agent. So just create a new queue by using new button. I am here writing as a agent queue. So here you have to select the routing configuration you have created earlier. So just select the routing configuration that you have created and select the available object. So here you have to choose the messaging session object. This is the mandatory steps. So choose the messaging session. After that you have to choose the available members for the queue. So I am selecting here as a Okfang Epic and just save it. Now your step is you have to create the flow. So here you will create the flow with the type of omni-channel as you are routing all the conversation of the Agentforce Service Agent by the help of omni-channel. Just select it, next, and here you will find out the omni-channel flow and just create that flow. So here you have to add route to work. Basically here we are routing our conversation to the agent. So just write route to agent. Here you have to create the record ID variable with the type of text and the name of record ID must be same. And here you have to choose a text data type and it must be available for input, otherwise it will give you the error. Okay. Here you have to use the service channel, that is messaging, and in the route to you have to route to the Agentforce Service Agent, and I have created the Agentforce Service Agent with this name only. Here you have to select the queue, so I have created agent queue, I have selected this and just save it. Save the flow, route to agent flow. Just save this flow and activate it. For further we can use it. Just go to the messaging setting. In the messaging setting, basically you have to enable the messaging toggle here and you have to create the channel for the community site. So just start, you have to choose the messaging for in app and here you can give the name of channel messaging channel for agent. Okay, just save it. Here you have to choose the flow what you have created earlier, that is a omni-channel flow which has a name with the route to agent flow, that one. Okay, here you have to choose the queue. The queue name is agent queue, right? So you have to save this messaging channel and just go back to the same messaging setting and open the messaging channel. So the name of the messaging channel I have selected as a messaging channel agent. Just select it. You have to activate this messaging channel if you want to use it. So just activate with this. Now go to the service deployment model. Just type deployment and you can see embedded service deployment here, and just create your deployment model to use the messaging channel. So here we are using messaging for in-app and web, and for this is a web I am using here. So here it is a agent deployment model. Okay, here you have to use the domain as well. So domain for what? Which domain we have to write here? For the community site domain. So just go to the setup and type domain here. Go to the domain. Here you can see we have a experience cloud site domain, right? So just copy this URL and paste in this domain. Okay, and select the messaging channel you have created. So here it is, and save it. Once it is created, you have to publish this deployment model. It will take some time, so keep patience. Now you can see embedded service deployment model has been created. Now you have to publish this embedded service deployment model. So it will again take some time. Here you can also see it will take minimum 10 minutes, but it's not take that much of time, but still it takes. So we will go to the next step. Next step, just go to the site. In the site, whatever site you have created, just go to the builder, and here you have to add the embedded messaging. So here you can see here is one component, embedded messaging, with the name of. So just you have to just drag it over here, and you can see you will see this shadow type of widget of the Agentforce. Just drag here and just publish it. When you publish it, it will be available to your website. Got it. So just go to your website. Here it is your website. If you are unable to see this visit by following all these steps, so you have to just see one more step here. What the step is, you have to go to the CORS first of all, and you have to add the experience cloud site URL. I have already added it here, that's why it is showing me this agent for service agent. For such content, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.